You're welcome to Appfix And Earn. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable backup codes on Roblox. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here, as you can see, is my home page on my Roblox app. The first step you need to take right here is to go ahead and click on the more option at the bottom of the screen. So you can be able to go to your settings. So you need to scroll down gently and click on settings. You can see the setting icon right here. So looking here, you can see a lot of options. Looking right here, you can see where it says security. So you need to go ahead and click on that. So looking right here, there are several ways you can actually get a backup code. First is by using the Authenticator app. Secondly is by using your email. And thirdly is by using a hardware security key. So I'm going to actually use my Google Authenticator app for this by clicking on the first option in order to turn it on. It is actually going to verify my account by sending a code to my email 731613. After inputting the code, you need to go ahead and click on verify. So right here, you can see this at the top right corner of your screen. You need to go ahead and copy this. Where you can see view QR code, you need to go ahead and copy it. Then go to the Google Authenticator app. Right here on your Google Authenticator app, at the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus button. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Click on enter a setup key. By clicking on it like this, paste the key right here and name it Roblox. Then go ahead and click on add. So once you do that, as you can see here on the screen, this is our Roblox code. So you can simply go ahead and copy the code that was sent to you on your Google Authenticator, come right here and paste it. Then go ahead and click on verify. So looking here is my backup codes. You can go ahead and click on save backup code or screenshot this page in order to save your backup codes. So this is how simple it is to enable backup codes on Roblox. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. This channel is really for you. See you in the next one.